Hello children, hi, this is Fareen Miss. Today we are going to learn maths, cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers. In this lesson we are going to learn when to use cardinal numbers and when we use ordinal numbers. So let's see what are they. Cardinal and ordinal numbers. First let's look the cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on are called cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. This is called ordinal numbers. When we use cardinal numbers to count things. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called cardinal numbers. Now, if I say children in this picture, in first row, how many children are there? So, we will count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many rows are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. This we count cardinal numbers by counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. When we use ordinal numbers to show someone's position or order in a row of things are called ordinal numbers. For example, Anju is in first row. Now look at the picture. Where is Anju? In first row. There is Pinky. Pinky is here. In which row? Second row. Where is Sania? Here it is. So Sania is in third row. Now where is Ansh? Ansh here. Where is Ansh? Is in second row. So like that we use ordinal numbers to show someone's position or order in a row of things. Now come to page number 43 of your maths textbook. A picnic. Once in a forest, at a potluck for 7, each bought a dish by all to be eaten. Rabbit came a hopping, the first of the lot, but oh, in the hurry his tiffin he forgot. Second was Deer, golden and swift, with tender green grass packed like a gift. Monkey came third, with a basket of veggies, swinging from the trees with so much ease. Fourth came Cow, swinging her tail. Happy she could bring her yummy carrot cake. A bundle on his trunk. Elephant came fifth. The bundle was of sugarcane. Oh, what a thrill. Sparrow was sixth, with corn or the cob. Seventh, with roasted gram strutted in peacock. 7 happy picnickers shared the dishes. 6. A better feast you couldn't have wished. Now there are so many animals and birds also there. So total how many animals came to the picnic? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This bird 7. So each have bought something or the other to eat. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Altogether 6 dishes are there. So first was rabbit. Second was deer. Third was monkey. Fourth came cow. Fifth came elephant. Sixth was sparrow, ear. Seventh with roasted gram started in peacock. Peacock came. So altogether there are 7 picnickers. So if I say you who came first, who came third, I am showing the position of the animals. And altogether were 7. Here the words 6, 7 are cardinal numbers which give values. 6th, 7th are ordinal numbers that give the order in a sequence. It shows order, in which order the person or animal has come. Now come to page number 44. Picture of race. In the picture above, how many children are taking part in a running race? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 5 is a cardinal number. What was Saurabh's rank in the race? Where is Saurabh? Here you can see Saurabh came 5th. So 5th is an ordinal number. Who came first? What came first? You can see in the picture. You have to write that person name in the box. Nikhil. Nikhil came first. Who was 4th? But observing the picture, you have to see who was 4th. First is Nikhil. Second is John. Third is Soham. 4th is Shakil. So you are going to write Shakil. So children, here there are total 7 carriages. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In which carriage is the peacock? So we are going to look animal's position. So peacock is in 3rd carriage. We are going to write 3rd. Who is in the 1st coach? In the 1st coach there is mouse. In which bogie is the rabbit? Rabbit is in the 2nd bogie. Who is in the 7th wagon? So last 7th wagon. Who it is? It is tiger. At which place is the lion's coach? So lion is where? Here. Which coach? He is in 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. 4th coach. At which place is the coach next to that of camel? So first, where is camel? At which coach? 5th. Next to camel is elephant. He is at which coach? 6th. So place that is next to that of camel is 6th. Here you are going to write 6th. What is the ordinal number of the carriage before the elephant's carriage? So what is the ordinal number of the carriage before elephant? Before elephant, who it is? Camel. At which coach? 5th coach. So that ordinal number is 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4 are cardinal numbers. 1st, 2nd, 3rd are ordinal numbers. Now on the next page, Sania is watering the flowering plants in the garden. Look at the picture above and write the proper words in the blank spaces. The first plant in order from Sania is, now how many plants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants. And it's kept in the order first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So first plant is which Sania is watering rose. The jasmine is dash in order from Sania. So first is rose, second, third, fourth. Jasmine is fourth in order from Sania. Total number of plants is how many? We have counted 5. So you're going to write 5. See page 33 and 34 of this book and tell which is the 5th month in the English calendar from the start of the year. So take out page number 33 and 34. You have to say which is the 5th month of English calendar. First month is January, second February, third March, fourth April, fifth is May. So in the box you are going to write May. Counting from the start of the Indian calendar year, which is the 8th month. Now month of Indian calendar. So first is Chaitra, second Vaishakha, third Jyeshtha, fourth Ashadha, fifth Shravana, sixth Bhadra, seventh Ashwin, eighth is Kartik. So Kartik, write in the box. Now fish tank you can see. Write the cardinal number. How many purple fish are there in the tank? How many purple fish you can see? You can see only one. So you can write in the box 1. How many red fish? Red fish, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 red fishes are there. How many yellow fish? 1, 2, 3. So total 3 yellow fishes. Remember, the numbers we use to count things are cardinal numbers. The words we use to tell the place or order in a row of things are called ordinal numbers. Now children, come to page number 11 of your Maths Reliable Workbook number 3. Just like we have solved in our Maths textbook, page number 44, same way you are going to solve it in your book number, Reliable book number 3, page 11. Look at the picture above and answer the following. So same way, how many children are taking part in a running race? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number you are going to write 5. What was Saurabh's rank in the race? So Saurabh's rank is 5th. Who came first? Nikhil. The box you are going to write Nikhil. Who was 4th? Shakil. So Shakil, the box you are going to write. On page 12, look at the picture above and fill in the boxes. Now total how many carriages are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of animals are also 7. Now we are going to look the position in which these animals are there. So in which carriage is the peacock? First, second, third. Third. If there is no space in the box, you are going to write outside. Who is in the first coach? The first coach is mouse. So going to write there. In which bogie is the rabbit? First, second. In second bogie. Who is in the 7th wagon? Let's see, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. It is Tiger. At which place is the lion's coach? Where is lion? Here. First, second, third, fourth. Fourth coach. At which place is the coach next to that of camel? Which place is the coach next to that of camel? So next to camel is elephant. Place is 6th. What is the ordinal number of the carriage before the elephant's carriage? So before elephant is camel. What is that number? Ordinal number is 5th. Sania is watering the flowering plants in the garden. So total how many plants are there? For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the picture above and write the proper words in the blank spaces. The first plant in order from Sania is, so first is rose. The jasmine is dash in order from Sania. So where is jasmine? First, second, third, fourth. Fourth in order from Sania. The total number of plant is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now come to page number 13 of your Maths Reliable workbook. Observe the order of the children from left to right and from right to left and fill in the blanks. So here there are 10 children. From left I have written the positions from 1st to 10 and from right 1st to 10th. Now A. Amit is dash from the left. So from the left Amit is first. So first you are going to write in the blank. Kamlesh is fourth from right and dash from the left. So where is Kamlesh? Here. He is fourth from the right. First, second, third, fourth. And from the left, we are going to look at left hand side. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So Kamlesh is seventh from the left. Saili is dash from the right. Where is Saili? From the right. So Saili is seventh. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. If you say from the left, in which position is she standing? From the left, first, second, third, fourth. Ranjana is at the dash position from the right. Here, where is Ranjana? Here. So from the right, first, second. Let's see from the left, which position she is standing. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. From the left, she is on the ninth position. Kalpesh is dash from the left and dash from the right. First, we are going to search that child's name. This is Kalpesh. From the left side, you are going to count position first, second, third, fourth, 6th. So Kalpesh is 6 from the left, and from the right, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. 5th from the right. Now F, Ramesh is dash from the left and dash from the right. This you are going to solve. Page 33 and 34 of textbook and tell which month. 5th month is May of English calendar, and from Indian calendar year, which is the 8th month, Kartik. So look at the page and answer it. Come to page number 14. The 6th question, write the cardinal number. You're going to solve it on your own, just like we have solved in our maths textbook. We are going to look at the activity. Match the colored kites having ordinal numbers with its same colored spools having words. So you're going to match same colored the kites with their same colored spools. So from first, this is red color, first, second, then purple color, third, fourth, where is fourth? Here, blue color, fifth, green color spool, sixth, again but dark green color. Where is the spool? Here. Seventh, eighth, ninth, and finally the last one is 10th. Like this you are going to solve in your Drabble book.
My dear children and all the viewers, I hope you understand my way of explaining this lesson. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for Read Miss. You will find an explanatory video on standard 2nd syllabus, the subject of English, Maths and English grammar topics starting from lesson number 1 up till now with notes of State Board Maharashtra. Guys, I want to reach to maximum kids so that in this condition of Corona, children don't miss their studies. Lots of efforts I have put in making these videos so that it reaches them and they learn something from it. Please, viewers, don't let my efforts go in vain. So please comment below your views for further videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.